Welcome back to Alliance's Heroes, where heroes in business align. To be part of our super community and find out more about Alliances, visit www.alliances.com.
That's right. And thank you again so much for the show coming back, everyone. Again, you know, we always bring you the latest and greatest and so many things happening within the world. And I'm extremely excited too about our next guest. And by the way, it has to do with the word that's the hottest, probably single word or initials that's taking place all over the world. And that is AI. So I'd like to welcome to the show is Sri. He is the Executive Vice President, GM Software Platforms and AI with Experian.com. And Experian.com is one of the sponsors of the Alliance's Hero Show. So welcome back to the show, Sri. In fact, since we last spoke, we've continued to see dramatic growth in awareness around generative AI. What impact has it really had, though, on Experian and its business?
Well, thank you for having me first, and it's great to be back, David. AI and generative AI are really important topics for Experian. At Experian, we have a culture built on innovation, and we have among the most valuable data sets on the planet. And we see AI and generative AI as a really important vehicle and amplifying the impact of that for both businesses and consumers. We take that responsibility very seriously, and we want to do that in a safe and responsible way while amplifying the impact of our data. Now, with AI and generative AI in particular, over the last year, we've seen an interesting shift in the market and the application of generative AI. We've moved from a world where we've mostly been in POC land in the market to actually now in a game of production scale, value, and impact. And at Experian, we've made a number of the investments to be able to drive impact at scale. And particularly with AI and generative AI, it's easy to produce or kick off POCs, which seem like they might be interesting. But when you start to scale and take this forward, you run into a host of operational scaling, regulatory issues, which really are important issues to be navigated. We've invested ahead of the curve, and we have a few important things out there in operational. First, we have launched our Ascend technology platform, which I will talk about later, which leverages AI and generative AI and brings the power of AI to many of our customers in a seamless and integrated way. Also, more broadly with AI, we have launched efforts where to our consumers, we're bringing the power of generative AI in credit education. And we have many of our customers, a significant portion of the 70 million customers we have in our Experian marketplace benefiting from interactions on credit education with a generative AI assistance which we have out there. And also internally, more broadly, we have a number of our software engineers leveraging Gen AI to build innovation products and applications. And finally, we're also bringing products to our clients in the B2B space, which leverage the power of Gen AI through our Ascend technology platform. So a lot going on in this space, and it's really been a key priority for our business, and we're coming out with a set of products and services which bring this impact to our clients.
That's great to hear. I can't even imagine how one even stays up to date with everything coming out. It's like light speed. I don't know if there's been anything else that's come out so much faster to the entire world, right?
I agree.
So it's been, phenomenal hearing you share this information. By the way, again, too, you're listening and watching me, David Kogan, host of the Alliance's Hero Show. Make sure that you go to alliancer.com to check out past episodes of me interviewing Cherie and other executives at Experian. Make sure that you go to Experian.com. That's EXPERIAN.com. So, Cherie, with that, talk to us about the advanced analytics, machine learning, and AI are an integral part to Experian's offerings. So with that, how has the integration of these technologies provided better outcomes? Because that's what we want to see for your clients across these various industries.
Yes, we listen to our clients, and one of the common themes we've been hearing over the last several months is our customers said they wanted integrated solutions that could provide a seamless user experience and enable greater agility. So we brought together our best-in-class data, superior analytics, and cutting edge technology combined with AI to do just that with our Experian Ascend technology platform. This consolidated platform allows our clients to simplify the integration and usability of solutions across the lending lifecycle and across departments, geographies, while also enhancing automation. A lot of the business and client outcomes we're focusing on relate to fraud, credit decisioning, and analytics, but the possibilities are much broader. In essence, the platform's helping clients stop fraudsters and stop them in their tracks a lot faster. It's helping automate the deployment of models for acquisition, originations, customer management, targeting. It's helping enhance security, and it's addressing data scientist toil, but that's just the beginning. What we believe, and we have the vision of this Ascend technology platform really being the go-to destination for financial services as we think about bringing all of these seamless technologies together. We believe this type of sophisticated and synchronized experience has been not that common and has been elusive to financial services. But what we'd like to do is change the dynamic with our approach to bringing this platform across.
That's just great. There's such valuable information to be able to share with our audience in that. And you mentioned too about the Ascend technology platform. From what I understand, that transforms software for credit, fraud, and analytics within Experian. Is that right?
That is correct. Yes.
What about data, technology, and AI are the core to Experian's offerings? So with that, could you please share with us some specific examples maybe where these technologies significantly have improved a client's financial operations or decision-making process?
That's a great question. I think you're asking me to make it specific, and where does the client impact come from? So first, a bit of context on the platform we shared. It's being leveraged by over 1,500 clients globally and processing over 14 million credit reports daily and billions of credit and fraud transactions per year now. So it is operating fully at scale. In North America alone, more than 8,000 registered users from 80 clients access over 12 petabytes of data weekly for analytical purposes. So we're talking about massive scale here, and we're on a very strong journey. An example of clients using our platform is Lender, a specialized fintech offering contemporary financing solutions for small businesses. It's harnessing the power of the platform to enhance competitiveness and informed decision making. And by using Experian's platform, they've significantly bolstered their agility and competitive edge. It's helped them deliver solutions at scale across the lending life cycle, and the result, it's been able to improve the acquisitions and mitigate losses, and it's ultimately helped Lender double its business over the past year. So it's made a significant contribution. So meaningful impact, and consequently to the end consumers as well. We believe by creating this impact with the lenders and providing more sophisticated lending, it also drives financial inclusion with consumers. And so there's a win-win-win across.
Well, that's great. Cherie, such important information, especially again, what's going on in the world of all this going on with AI. Cherie, Executive VP, GM, Software Platforms, and AI for Experian. Make sure that you go to Experian.com. That's Experian. This has been David Kogan with the Alliances Hero Show.